guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I have another unboxing video for you guys, and this time I'm going to be unboxing two things, one from BuzzAgent and one thing from Influenster. So I think I'm going to begin with a BuzzAgent box. So I don't really remember what they sent me this time. I remember now. So I did get an email from BuzzAgent a couple of weeks ago, and they asked me if I wanted to try out a new toothpaste, and I said yes. And they sent me the Sensodyne Sensitivity and Gum Improves Gum Health Mint toothpaste, and it's this one right here. And it says that it is a new low abrasion formula dual action toothpaste. So I've only tried Sensodyne once, but I don't really get this type of toothpaste because I don't have sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive teeth, but my boyfriend does, so that's why I said yes, to see if he likes it, and I might as well try it too to see if I like it. And so yeah, I'm super excited to try this toothpaste out. It says toothpaste for sensitive teeth, gingivitis, I don't know if I pronounced gingivitis right, sensitive areas and swollen and bleeding gums. Builds a protective layer over sensitive areas, targets and helps remove plaque, bacteria, relieves tooth sensitivity, and improves gum health. So that's pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this toothpaste or if you guys tried anything from Sensodyne. And anyways, that's pretty much everything they sent me. And inside they just sent me a card that says, want to receive more Buzz kits from your favorite brands? Stay in the know on new upcoming Buzz campaigns by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We reward our most active Buzz agents with even more campaigns. So don't delay, start buzzing today. BuzzAgent.com. There's the website. And they don't only send toothpaste, they also send makeup, skincare, food, dog toys, dog snacks. They also send perfumes and a bunch of things. So if you guys want to try out free products, make sure to go check them out. Okay, so now with the Influenster VoxBox, and it is a Canada Dry New Bold Ginger Ale. Bring on the bold. And this is what the box looks like. It's pretty big and it's really heavy, so I don't know how many they sent me. But I've never tried the bold ginger ale Canada Dry before. I've only tried the regular green one because it's really heavy and hopefully nothing open. And Influencer is the same thing. They don't only send food, they send makeup, skincare, clothing. They send a lot of food too if you want that. And pet stuff, baby stuff. And they send hair dye and a lot of good stuff. So make sure to check them out. Okay, so here it is. Ta-da! There's tissue paper. Ta-da! So they sent me 3 of them, so I'm super excited for this. And it's very nicely packaged. And they sent me a coupon for free Canada Dry drinks, so I'm super excited for this. And it comes with a card. Well, it comes with 2 cards actually. Bring on the bold. Be sure to let your can of Canada Dry Bold Ginger Ale sit for 1 to 2 hours before opening. So there you go. And this one says bring on the bold, and it just tells me what I have to do to sample this product. Okay, so they sent me one original ginger ale, and this is the one that I've tried before. And this box was in the fridge, so they are nice and cold right now, and I feel like drinking it, but I haven't had breakfast, so I'm going to eat breakfast first. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. And here is the new one. It is a Canada Dry Bold Ginger Ale, caffeine free. This one right here. I've never seen these before, well obviously because they're new. And it says new Canada Dry Bold Ginger Ale adds an extra kick of ginger flavor to regular ginger ale. Enjoy Canada Dry Bold Ginger Ale by itself for crisp, clean refreshment or as a mixture in your favorite cocktail. Creating quality beverages and mixers since 1904. Enjoy the best in the refreshment with Canada Dry. You can find Canada Dry Bold Ginger Ale in stores starting March 1. So if you guys have tried this new ginger ale drink, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Is there a difference from this one? Which one is your favorite? Let me know. I would like to know. 2 of them are this kind. So I'm going to give one of these to my boyfriend. Hopefully he likes it and it doesn't go to waste. So I'm just going to open it later and I will let you guys know how I like it. Maybe I'll leave it in the comments below or in the description box or maybe somewhere in the screen. But anyways, that is everything that Influenster and BuzzAgent sent me this week. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried BuzzAgent and Influencer and what have you guys been receiving. And yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.